If you're serious about trading, the hardest part isn't catching a trend. The hardest part is knowing when that trend is actually changing. Most traders realize it too late, after price has already moved and they're either chasing entries or stuck on the wrong side. That's why in this video I want to show you an open source indicator called Pivot Trend by ChartPrime. This tool is built specifically to detect real market structure shifts, not based on laggy averages, but based on actual swing highs and swing lows. It shows you when structure breaks, when sentiment flips, and most importantly, where the new trend line forms, so you can plan entries instead of guessing. So I'm on TradingView using AUDNZD on the 1 hour time frame, so everything is clear and easy to follow. To add the indicator, click Indicators, search Pivot Trend by ChartPrime, and add it to your chart. Once it loads, you'll immediately see a trend line on price that changes color and position, along with buy and sell markers when structure flips. Before we go into live examples, let me quickly explain the settings so you actually understand what this indicator is doing. Open the settings, you can do that from here. And you'll see left bars and right bars. These define how strong a swing high or swing low needs to be before it's accepted as real structure. In simple words, the pivot candle must stay the highest or lowest for a certain number of candles on both sides. If you increase these values, you get fewer signals but much cleaner and more reliable structure shifts. If you lower them, the indicator reacts faster but becomes noisier. On the 1 hour time frame, values between 8 and 12 work very well and keep the structure clean. Then you have offset. Offset is just a sensitivity filter. If the market is volatile and the line flips too often, increase the offset slightly. If you want faster signals, reduce it. You don't need to over-optimize this. Start with defaults and adjust only if the line feels too jumpy or too slow. Now, let's go through real examples so you can see how this actually trades in practice. First, buy example. Over here, price has been in a downtrend. The pivot trend line is red and sitting above price, acting as resistance. Then we get a structure break. You can see the line flips from red to blue and a buy marker appears. This tells us structure has changed and the market is attempting to start an uptrend. Now, this is the most important part. We do not buy immediately, we wait. Price moves up first, creating distance from the line. Then we wait for the pullback. Price comes back down and retests the blue pivot trend line, which is now acting as dynamic support. Right here, you can see price touches the line and then prints a strong bullish candle, rejecting it. This is where we enter the buy trade. Entry is at the close of that bullish candle. Stop loss goes below the pullback low and below the pivot trend line. Take profit can be set at 1.5 times risk or at the next structure resistance to the left. You can see price respects the line and continues higher, giving us a clean winning trade. You need to treat a broken structure line as an automatic exit, no questions asked.
Do you feel like everyone around you benefits from artificial intelligence, but you have no idea where to start? Don't wait any longer. Start today. Our free trading bot is simple to use, powered by artificial intelligence, and can earn you up to 1% profit every single day. Over 500 members have already joined. Click the link below now to get free access. This is your chance to harness the power of AI and take a step toward a financial boost.
If you enter on a retest of the pivot trend line and price closes clearly on the other side of that line, the setup is invalid. Don't widen the stop and don't hope it comes back. Structure-based strategies only work when you respect structure. Small controlled losses are the cost of staying in the game long enough to catch the big clean moves. Second buy example. Again, the market was previously bearish. The pivot trend line flips to blue and prints a buy marker. We let price move away first, then we get a deeper pullback this time. Price comes back almost exactly into the blue line again. Instead of guessing, we wait for confirmation. We want a bullish engulfing candle or continuous green candles to form right on the line, showing buyers are defending structure. That's our entry. Stop goes under the swing low created during the pullback. Price pushes higher again, confirming the trend shift. This is why waiting for the retest gives you better entries instead of chasing the breakout candle. Now let's look at sell examples. First sell example. Price was trending up, pivot trend line was blue and sitting below price. Then structure breaks. The line flips from blue to red and a sell marker appears. This tells us the uptrend has ended and structure has shifted bearish. We do not open a sell position immediately. We wait for price to move down first. After that, price pulls back upward into the red pivot trend line, which is now acting as resistance. Right here, price touches the line and prints a strong bearish candle rejecting it. This is where we enter the sell trade. Entry is at the close of that bearish candle. Stop loss goes above the pullback high and above the pivot trend line. Take profit is again 1 to 1.5 risk or the next support level to the left. Price respects the structure and continues lower, completing a clean sell trade. Always size your position based on the stop loss distance, not on how confident the setup looks. Even the cleanest structure flip can fail, so before you enter, you decide the stop loss location first, then calculate position size so that if the stop is hit, you lose a fixed amount, ideally 1% of your account or less. This way, no single trade can hurt you emotionally or financially, and you stay consistent over a series of trades instead of reacting to individual outcomes. Second sell example. Same logic. The trend flips bearish, the line turns red, and a sell marker prints. Price drops, then pulls back slightly. This pullback is shallow but still retests the red line. We wait for confirmation and get a bearish engulfing candle right at the line. That confirms sellers are defending the new structure. We enter the sell trade at candle close, stop above the line, and price continues down. This is exactly how you avoid selling too late, and instead enter where risk is controlled. The key thing to understand here is that the buy and sell markers are not entry signals by themselves. They tell you structure has changed. The real edge comes from waiting for price to retest the new structure line and then entering on confirmation. This keeps you out of fake flips and FOMO trades. Also remember, no indicator is perfect. High-impact news can break structure instantly. That's why risk management matters. You can always add other indicators and price action analysis with the signals given by this indicator to further filter more false signals and find more accurate and better buy and sell trade entries. Keep risk fixed and let the structure decide if you're right or wrong. If the line breaks, you're out. Simple as that. That's the full breakdown. If you have questions, drop them in the comments and I'll answer. If this helped you see market structure more clearly, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching the video till the end. I'll see you in the next video.